In this video, I'm going to show you how to change signature on Docusign. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account, you want to go to the top right and click on your profile icon. And from here, you want to click on Manage Profile. Now, inside the profile settings over here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options on the left, and you want to click on Signatures. And from here, you can basically see your main signature, okay? So to change your signature, you want to click on Actions over here, and you want to click on Edit. Now, what this will do here, it's going to allow you to either choose a new signature from the list over here. So there's a bunch of different ones. For example, let's say I wanted this one, I can just click on it, or I could draw it over here as well. So for example, if I just type in like instant, like that, for example, or something like that, and then also the initials like this. There we go. And I can go ahead and create that one as well, or I could just upload it if I wanted to, okay? So you could basically upload like any of these formats down here, and then you can use that as your signature inside your document. So I'm going to leave this one, click on create over here. It's going to start creating, and there we go. As you can see, signature adopted successfully, and I've successfully changed my signature on Docusign. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.